Hey there, my name is Adil and welcome back to one more new video. This video is going to be about video editors. There are a lot of video editors in the market and not everything is easy to use. They have a lot of complicated steps and let's face it, not everyone wants to create a movie. Most of us just want to make a simple YouTube video or just need some basic editing to get the job done. So you don't have to go through all the hassles of the complicated stuff and everything. So without further ado, let's get started. The most easiest and simplest video editor you'll find is already pre-installed in your Windows 10. It's just called Video Editor, obviously. So all you need is a Windows 10 system and some basic idea what you're trying to achieve and you're good to go. So what you need to do is search for the video editor in your Windows search and open it. And once you open it, let me just quickly open it. So once you open it, this is the screen that you are going to see. So basically I have already edited all my videos in this particular video editor up to an extent, and you just need to click on new video project. So this is basically a work area, and here let me rename the file. So let me make it tutorial. Okay, that's the thing missing. Okay, tutorial. So this is your work area. This is going to be your playlist area. This is your playback area where you can play the video and check if it's good or not. And the below is your storyboard or the timeline. So I'll explain you each and every part so that you can be at the end of this video you'll be able to understand how exactly a video is made and how to add a titles and everything. So please watch till the end of the video, and by the end of the video I'm sure you'll be good to go in video editing and you'll be able to create your own videos. So let's first I'll click on add, then I'll select from this PC and let me just select video. I'll just select one of my old videos. Okay, so I have added the video over here. And guys, this video is going to be a bit raw because I have nothing written in a script or anything. I'm just speaking over to you directly, so it's going to be a bit raw, so kindly don't mind. So yeah, you have added the video over here in the playlist, and now just drag it and drop it here. So now you can see the video over here and you can just play back the video once. Let me play it. So here you go, the video is available, and now you need to decide what exactly you need to make. So I'll first add a title card. Okay, so for that it's obvious, you have to click on add title card. You'll get a title card over here. Okay, then you need to name it, right? So just go to text, click on text. Here you have the text file. Just remove this and add whatever you want. Let me name it quickly. Okay, that's it. So here in this way you can add a video card, but it looks quite simple, right? So let's spice things up. Okay, this seems fine, and you can also change the background from over here. Guys, just follow my mouse pointer. Okay, and you can change the background from here. Yeah, this seems fine. You can click on done. Okay, and you can also change the styles of the text. You can bring it to the side, you can bring it to the middle or the bottom. You get the point. So that's it, it has been added. Let me play it and quickly you can see how it's working. So it will be displayed for 3 seconds. So you can also change the duration from here. Suppose let me select 7 seconds, and after selecting the duration you again need to go to the text. So if you play back right now without dragging this thing, it will only show the text for 3 seconds, then there will be a blank blue screen. So let me show that to you. Let me play the video. So for 3 seconds it will be showing the text, then it will be a complete blue screen. So to avoid that, you just need to go to text, drag this text completely to the 7-second mark, then click on done. So let me play this now from the starting. There you go, It's being displayed for complete 7 seconds. So in this way you can add the text in your video. And now let me check what else am I missing. Okay, in the text these are the things that you can add. So the next thing is you can add also the text in the photos. So let me quickly get a photo. The procedure is fairly simple. You just need to locate the photos in your system. And just a moment, let me add a photo. Okay, there you go. I have added a photo. So you just need to drag this photo and place wherever you want in the video. Let me place over here. And now you can add the text on the photo as well. So let me add a text. So I have added the text, you can see, and you can change the style. Let me select some other style. Okay, yeah, this seems fine. Also you can change the positions of the text by selecting any of this, and done. That's it. And you can also change the duration for this in the same way that I have previously mentioned. You select on duration. You need to select the particular card, then select the duration. So I've selected this card and the duration I have changed it to 5 seconds. Again, go to text, drag this all the way to the last, then play. Let me play it from the starting. So 7 seconds, then this will be displayed for 5 more seconds, then your video will start. Now there are also 3D effects as well in this. Let me also show you. I'll show it to you in the later part of the video. Now let me show you how to trim the video. Suppose this video is 3 minutes 42 seconds long. You don't want the complete video playback, so if you want to trim it, you just need to click on trim and you select the part of the video that you want. I'm selecting up to 1 minute 30 seconds. There you go, and just click on done. So your video is trimmed down to 1 minute 30 seconds, and that's about it. In case you want the video back, like the old video or the complete video back, you have it over here. You can just drag it and place it here, and if you want you can trim, crop and everything. Since I don't want it, I'm just clicking on delete and it's gone. So 1 minute 30 second video, you saw how you trim the video. Now suppose you want to split the video in two parts and add something in between. So that you can do by clicking on split, and when you click on split, you'll be seeing like what exactly in the place that you want to split. So let me select a particular portion in between. Okay, let me click on done. So in this portion the video will be split into two parts. So two parts, and if you want this photo can be added in between, you just drag it and drop it over here. Let me play the video. If I forward this somewhere here, yeah, you see the photo that you have added. Same way you can keep it in the last or in the bottom, anywhere you just drag and drop. That's about it. So the next step, let me quickly go through. So the next effect that I'm going to show you is to add some motion or 3D effects in your video. So let me select one of this. So if you select zoom out and center, there'll be slide zoom. If you select the left, there'll be slide zoom on the left side. It doesn't make much of a difference, but in case you want to use it in some of your videos as per your need, you can use this. Personally, I don't like this feature. This kind of not useful. So let me just quickly quit this one and go to one more great feature, 3D effects. So you have so many 3D effects that you can add inside your video. So let me quickly select one. Suppose you need to select this one, just click on this, drag and place it anywhere on the video. And you can also select the duration for which you want it to be played. So let me select this duration. You can just drag this bar as per your need, and also you can like enlarge it or make it small as per your need. Also rotate it. So if you want the volume along with the 3D effect, and you can select the volume. I don't want it, so I'm decreasing the volume completely. and let me click on done, and then let me add one more 3D effect. So if I go to effects, suppose let's make this a breaking news. So I'll bring it here, enlarge it a bit. Okay, that seems fine. I'll also select the duration. It's going to be the same. So just hit done, and I'll reduce the volume, and let's play the video. My name is Adil. I hope you all are doing well. So this video is regarding the ad situation in the Xiaomi or Redmi phones. We have seen many YouTubers complaining about the ads in these phones, making it a deciding factor whether. So you can again change the duration of the effect if you want. Just open the 3D effects, select anyone, and you can select the duration. If you want it for your complete video, drag it all the way to the bottom to the end, and you can select it. That's it. And if you don't want any effect and you want to remove it, and just click on close. That's it, it's gone. And then save. Done. It's gone. You can see that. And apart from that, if you want any filters, you can add the same. Just click on filters. If you want to add a filter for any particular part of video or anything, you can just select a filter from here. If you want to make it black and white or anything, so let me select an effect quickly. Okay, seems fine. So you just select it and then click on done. That's it. The effect will be applied for your complete video. So the next effect that I'm going to show you is adding the speed to video. So suppose you see this particular video is 50 seconds long, and you just select the video and click on speed. So you can slow down the video or increase the speed. Let me make it 2x. So it will change to from 50 seconds to about 25 seconds. You can see it has reduced down to 25 seconds. Let me just play this video so that you can get an idea. So that's it. The video has been speeded up to 2x speed. In this way you can add or reduce the speed of the video. And one more thing that you can do the video, in case you have black bars towards the left side or the right side of the screen, you can just click on this one and click on remove black bars. So what effectively it does is it zooms in the video a bit so that the black bars are removed. So I don't have any black bars in the video, so it's completely not needed. The next thing is, like, before finishing the video, you just need to check everything is fine, and you can also add a closing card as well for this. So to add the closing card, you just, if you want to make it the same way, just copy this card and paste it over here, Control V, or you can just drag it over here again in the same way. You can do it the same way. You can just click on add title card, and you can just drag it to the bottom or to the last, and you can just do it the same way. You can click on text and you can select everything. Like, let me quickly write thank you. And you can select, as I described earlier, select any one you want and just click on done. That's it. So it will be added. So it's the same way. You just need to drag or drop anywhere you want. So I'll keep it to the ending. So this seems fine. You can like change the positions of this one. Once you're satisfied with the video, then you go for the audio. You can do two things in it. Either you can add a background custom background normal music which is already available. So let me play it. You just need to click on background music and play from here. Once you have selected the music, click on done, and before that you can also change the audio volume. In case you have any voiceover in the video, I suggest you keep it a bit low so that your voice will not be like degraded in the music. So I'll keep it in 45 something and I'll hit done. Okay, and let me just check. See, you can see the music has been added. So in this way you can add music, and in case you have a custom audio or a voiceover that you have already prepared for your video, then all you need to do is go to custom audio, then select add audio file and locate your audio file from your system computer and select the audio file. So I have added this one from my previous videos, and this is your audio file. So you can just drag it from here and place it in any part of video that you want, and also play your video so that you'll be aware like which part you want to place the audio. So you can play and check it. Suppose I want to place it over here or anywhere, you can just drag this one so that you'll be aware which part you are going to place this, and just bring it over here. That's it. And if you have multiple audio files, you can do the same procedure. Just click on add audio file, select one more, it will be shown over here. Click on done for this one. Now select this one. If you select this one, you'll get an option to drag and drop this file. If you select the other file, you'll get the option to drag this one. You can place it according to your need, according to your choice, and just hit on done once you're done. And guys, if you're wondering which laptop or which system I'm using, I'll just leave a link below to my previous video where I have reviewed the HP laptop. You can have a look. And once you're completely satisfied with your editing, with the video and everything, just click on finish over here. Once you click on finish, it will ask you in what resolution you want to export the video file. Just click on any one you like. I suggest 1080p is the best. So just hit on export. So depending on the configuration of your system, it will take some time. So just select the location and hit on export. So that's it, and it will start exporting. So depending on your configuration, it's going to take about from 15 to 20 minutes, also depending on the size of the video or the length of the video. So that's about it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and if you have any suggestions or any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching the video guys. Have a great day ahead. Stay home, stay safe.